Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's the fall and winter season, and you guys, during this time of the year my skin tends to act up. Not only do I break out, I also have a lot of like dry skin and dry patches. And you guys, I wanted to share this particular exfoliating scrub I've been doing for quite a while now. I think I started it sometime last year during the cold weather season. Actually, I wanted to exfoliate my skin this morning, and I realized I just used my last one, so I wanted to do another batch of the scrub. Then I was like, I have to share it with you guys. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and this is an all natural homemade scrub. So yeah, it's safe to be used on your face, on your skin, anywhere at all you want to exfoliate. It's 100% safe, unlike some of these already made scrubs they sell in the drugstore or maybe in the supermarket that have microbeads. And you guys, microbeads are not favorable to the skin. I don't know why most skincare brands still use microbeads on their scrubs. So you guys, immediately I discovered that, I stopped using anything like I buy from the store. I just started doing my own at home natural scrub. I'm back to disclaiming my fingers because, as you all can see, I have a dark nail polish this time, and normally my fingers tend to get darker during the fall and winter weather. Like, I don't bleach, you guys. This right here is a problem I have almost every cold weather season. Yeah you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and get started. You basically need these 4 items, which are incredibly beneficial to the skin. This scrub is ideal for people like me who suffer from breakouts, acne, and now dry skin because of this dry weather. Lemon lightens blemishes, tightens the pores, and evens out the skin. Sugar removes dead skin cells and cleans out the pores during exfoliation. Honey is naturally an antibacterial, full of antioxidants that help in soothing, hydrating, and rejuvenating the skin. And then we have coffee, and the caffeine found in coffee typically increases blood flow and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and blemishes. And this scrub can be used once or twice a week and can last you for 7 to 10 days, after which you discard and make a new one. Okay, so I love to squeeze the juice from the fresh lemon. 1 full lemon is fine, or sometimes I just use half. It all depends on how big or how small I want the scrub to be after I'm all done. And then I like to add about 3 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of coffee, and then 2 tablespoons of honey, and mix them thoroughly. Depending on the texture you want, you can make it a little bit watery or you can make it solid. It all depends. But for me, I love my scrub to be really like solid, so I'll be able to control it. And then after mixing it all together, I'm going to get my favorite jar for this scrub and then deposit the scrub inside it. This just helps keep it very fresh and ready for next use. Also, you need to keep the scrub in a cool and dry place. I normally keep it in my bedroom and grab it anytime I'm going to take my shower. Okay, so I'm going to quickly remove my makeup using a makeup remover and a cotton pad. And when applying this scrub, you have to put on a dark cloth or do it in your top so it doesn't get to your outfit, since the coffee contained in the scrub can color your clothes. Oh, did I tell you guys this scrub smells and feels so good in the hand? Like, sometimes I just love to roll it and roll it and roll it with my clean hands before then going ahead to massage it on my face. And you want to go in a circular motion while applying this scrub, and make sure you concentrate on the areas or the spots where you have too many dry patches, as this scrub will gently scrape them off your skin and give you a visibly clearer skin without the dead dry skin. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it off and then apply my favorite serum from Blemish, and it's their hyaluronic acid serum. You can use any moisturizer of your choice, and you guys, like, if you have a dry skin, acne prone skin, you definitely have to try this scrub and let me know what you think, because it's just amazing. It's very beneficial to the skin, and you can do it using just products you have right at the comfort of your home. Yeah you guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and till my next one, I will see you all very soon. Bye.